Why do 90% of crocodiles prefer luxury cars? We have no idea, but let's find out. Our favorite croc, Carl, is cruising in his shiny 2020 Porsche Cayenne. He's giving it some gas, passing a semi-truck, and feeling on top of the world. Suddenly, a rock smacks his windshield. Carl's in a pickle, but don't worry, his insurance has him covered. Booking a windshield replacement with Glassmasters is easier than tying your shoe. Just hop on glassmastersmen.com, fill out a quick form, and voila! A friendly technician will come to the rescue like a superhero for your windshield. St. Bonifacius's favorite, family-owned auto glass company has got your back. So next time you, or maybe even Carl, take a rock to the windshield, remember, it's no big deal. Just head over to Glassmasters and they'll handle the rest. Drive safe and keep those windshields clear.